While we were out washing our tractor, I thought I would try a couple other things with Mud Blaster. It is great at cleaning pretty much anything. So I thought I would bring out our, this is our little anti-fatigue mat from our kitchen. They get kind of gross and grimy over time. Just stuff gets dropped on them. You've got your feet on them, all that stuff. So I wanted to kind of do a half and half and see how well they clean. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot that, and we'll see how it does. So we've let that sit for probably 5 or 6 minutes. Get that stuff in there. This is pretty porous, so let it kind of break that dirt down. Now we're going to grab the pressure washer, rinse it off, and then we'll be able to see both sides to see how well it cleaned. So as you can see, there's a pretty good line right down the middle, close to the middle anyway. So it actually did cut that grime pretty well. I would normally scrub these things completely and get them going, but since these things need to be cleaned pretty often, I might just come out, use Mud Blaster, spray it on, spray it off, and be done. Get it dried off and then take it back into the kitchen. So I think I'll go ahead and spray the rest of this, let it do its work, and get the other one.